Hi everyone, this is Phoenix from Prospero Events Group. I'm the conference producer of our upcoming virtual conference, 9th edition, Pipeline Maintenance and Integrity Management, which will take place on 14th and 15th of October this year. And today we are more than happy to have one of our speakers, Bart Wauterickx, CEO of the Sniffers here, and he will give us a brief idea of the topic that he's going to present at the conference. Hi, Bart.
Hi, Phoenix. Hello, how are you?
Good, I'm good. Thank you for your time today. And so would you please briefly introduce the topic that you are going to cover at the conference?
Thank you, Phoenix. I'm happy to talk on the upcoming conference, and my topic that I'm going to bring is PRIMS, a pipeline risk and integrity management system. It's a service that we as the Sniffers bring to pipeline operators, pipeline owners, to help them to guarantee the integrity of the pipelines. We see that a lot of pipeline owners do not have the right tools in hand to see all the aspects of what goes on with their pipeline. And we believe we have the right tool for them to bring all that information together, to have in one view the complete picture in order for them to make the right decisions on maintenance activities, on investments, in order to guarantee the supply to their customers in the short term, the midterm, and of course the long term.
Right. So why do you think this is an important topic to be discussed?
We see a high variety of practices at pipeline owners. Some pipeline owners have invested in extensive tools, extensive packages and information management systems. Other players are still having files, paper files with them, and they're looking for information. The information is scattered, and it's difficult for them to take the right information and make the right decisions. So therefore, we believe it's important to offer to these customers an easy tool, an easy package, an easy service to help them in driving those objectives in integrity. Therefore, we believe it's important to bring PRIMS of the Sniffers to these customers.
Right. So how do you see the pipeline maintenance and integrity management in Europe in general, and also the role of your company in this field?
We see very good developments happening at one side with customers that have a long-term vision, that have important key people in the organization that have invested in the right tools. But we see also a lot of undiscovered areas where there are important risks, and risks for supply, risks for the environment, risks for environmental incidents. So there's a room for improvement over there. And so we can help the pipeline owners over there, not only with our PRIMS tool, but also with our boots on the ground services that we as the Sniffers have. We help operators to understand their leaks in their pipelines. We help them in understanding their corrosion situation with cathodic protection surveys or coating surveys. We help them with third-party interference. We also help them with emission measurements, as also pipeline owners today are confronted with mandatory obligations for reporting of emissions. As the Sniffers, this is also one of our specialities, of our core activities, to measure emissions of pipeline owners with compressor stations, with valve stations, in order for them to report the right figures. So on several levels, we work together with pipeline owners to help them increase their integrity of their pipelines.
Right, great. So thank you so much for your time today, and we really look forward to seeing you at the conference soon.
Thank you very much, Phoenix, for the opportunity. It will be my pleasure to speak on the conference. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Bart.